Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where we bring you the most impressive, powerful, and cutting-edge machines from around the globe. If you're into industrial giants, engineering marvels, and future-ready vehicles that push the limits of what's possible, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a real titan of the tracks, the Liebherr RE 25M, Litronic Railroad 2026. This is not your typical construction equipment. This is a railroad powerhouse designed to redefine how heavy lifting and rail infrastructure projects get done in the modern era. The Liebherr RE 25M. Litronic has been a name associated with strength and reliability in the crane world for years. But in 2026, it steps into a whole new dimension, the railroad version. Picture a machine that combines raw lifting capability, unparalleled mobility on rails, and precision engineering, all optimized for 21st century rail projects. Whether it's laying new track, maintaining heavy rail segments, or handling massive components in train yards, this beast is built to be the workhorse of the rails. At its core, the RE 25M Litronic Railroad carries forward the legacy of its predecessors with an insane lifting capacity, up to 250 tons. But what sets the 2026 railroad configuration apart is how it's adapted to the rail environment. Instead of traditional crawler tracks alone, this machine integrates dual-mode mobility. It can move on standard rails with special rail bogies and switch seamlessly between track and rail movement. This gives it unmatched versatility on job sites where precision and speed are critical. From the outside, the 2026 RE 25M Litronic is imposing. Its massive boom towers over the landscape, engineered with state-of-the-art high-strength steel that balances strength with weight reduction. The boom design allows it to extend farther and lift higher than many of its competitors, which means it can handle large structural elements like bridge segments, rail switches, and heavy beams with confidence and stability. Special rail adapters help it grip and maneuver heavy rail components with ease. Powering this machine is a modern, efficient diesel engine paired with advanced hydraulics and electronic control systems. The result is smooth, responsive handling even under full load. The 2026 version also incorporates energy-saving features and emissions reduction technology, aligning with modern environmental standards without compromising performance. Whether it's working in a tight, urban rail corridor or over remote terrain, this crane delivers reliable power day in and day out. One of the standout features of the railroad variant is its intelligent control system. Operators can choose from multiple modes depending on the task, including precise rail alignment mode, heavy lift mode, and transport mode. These systems rely on cutting-edge sensors and software to monitor load balance, ground conditions, and boom geometry, giving the operator real-time feedback to make adjustments faster and safer. This isn't just brute strength, it's smart engineering, designed to keep both the machine and the crew out of harm's way. Inside the operator cabin, comfort and technology are top priorities. Liebherr has outfitted the 2026 model with ergonomic seating, climate control, and intuitive interfaces that reduce fatigue during long shifts. A large touchscreen display brings up critical performance data, diagnostics, and camera feeds from multiple angles around the machine. This means operators don't have to rely solely on manual line of sight. They can monitor obstacles, track alignment, and lifting operations with a comprehensive view that enhances safety and precision. Safety is further boosted with integrated, rail-specific systems like automatic rail locking, collision avoidance sensors, and redundant braking systems. These systems work together to prevent unintended movement, ensure stable lifts, and protect both the machine and the environment it's working in. It's this blend of raw capability and advanced safety tech that makes the RE 25M Litronic Railroad 2026 a standout in heavy machinery. What also makes this machine remarkable is its role in shaping the future of railway infrastructure. Around the world, rail networks are expanding, modernizing, and adapting to new demands for freight and passenger transit. Projects that once took months of manual assembly and multiple machines can now be handled by a single, versatile unit like the RE 25M, from high-speed rail construction to maintenance of legacy tracks. This machine is engineered to be the backbone of tomorrow's rail projects, but beyond pure functionality. The Liebherr RE 25 M Litronic Railroad is a testament to how far industrial machinery has come. It's a robot-like blend of precision engineering, advanced electronics, and heavy-duty power, designed to make the most demanding tasks look almost effortless. It's the kind of machine that industrial enthusiasts dream about and railroad professionals depend on, and that's exactly why we had to feature it here on Daily Drives, because machines like this represent the future of heavy industry. Whether you're a rail buff, a construction tech fan, or just someone who loves seeing engineering excellence in action, the 2026 Liebherr RE 25M Litronic Railroad is a machine worth knowing. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into one of 2026's most impressive industrial giants. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button, share it with your fellow machine lovers, and subscribe to Daily Drives for more cutting-edge machinery breakdowns, custom builds, and futuristic concepts. We'll see you in the next drive.